So hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Faceless YouTube video using notebooklm by Google, complete process step by step, like this.
Write down habit 1. Wake up early. You have to win the first battle of the day, even when your body fights you. Next, add habit 2. Move your body every single day. No excuses and no skip days.
So watch till the end, let's get started. First, we will generate video ideas for our YouTube channel. If you already have, you can skip this part. For this, I have that complete prompt. My niche is self-improvement. You can customize that prompt according to your own niche. After this, we have a complete script generation prompt, which will create a complete engaging script, according to the title we will provide to it. So first, let's generate video ideas for our channel. I will copy that idea generation prompt and go to ChatGPT, paste it, and now it will generate high CTR viral ideas for niche. Next, we will create script for our video. For this, I will copy that script generation prompt and paste it in GPT and hit enter. Now our flow is ready. Now we just have to paste title and it will generate a complete engaging script for our video. Let's select this title, this one is looking good, and generate. Now it's generating a high quality script for our video. So now our script is ready. Now in next step, we will create video from that script using notebooklm. For this, go to notebooklm and sign in with your Google account. Now click on plus button and click on copied text. Now go to GPT, copy the script that we generated and paste it here and click insert. Now again go to GPT and copy that YouTube video title. Click on these three dots and paste it here. Now click on that box, delete the current one and paste it here. You can create audio overview, video overview, infographics, slides. We will generate video overview. Now we can generate cinematic video, explainer video, or brief video. First I will create cinematic video, then explainer video to show you the result of both. You can also customize your video if you want. Just write down your instruction here, I will leave that, and click on generate. Now let's also create explainer video, so you can see the result for both type of video. Now guys, cinematic video takes around 15 minutes, while explainer video take around 5 minutes. So let's wait. Okay guys, our both videos are ready. Let's first try that cinematic one.
You wake up late. You scroll without thinking. You delay the work that actually matters, telling yourself you will get to it tomorrow. Right now, your life is controlled by comfort. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a concrete and prepare to draw out a tracking grid. You are stuck because you have trained yourself to avoid discomfort. Every easy choice you make reinforces a weak identity, and that identity is currently running your daily routine. Committing these habits to paper removes your ability to negotiate with yourself. By physically checking off this grid every day, you force a shift in your actions, building an identity based on discipline rather than convenience. Step 1. At the top of your page, write the words morning baseline. This section targets your early physical and mental resistance. Under this heading, write down habit 1. Wake up early. You have to win the first battle of the day, even when your body fights you. Next, add habit 2. Move your body every single day. No excuses and no skip days. Then, list habit 4. Do the hard task first. Pinpoint the specific work you keep avoiding and tackle it before anything else. When you execute these tasks, you will feel physical and mental friction. Recognize that pain as a biological signal that you are growing, not breaking. By completing your most difficult, progressive task before noon, you establish a firm baseline of progress. This immediate win shifts your momentum, making the rest of your daily decisions easier to manage. Step 2. Create a second section below your morning checklist and title it Daytime Boundaries. These rules will govern the middle of your day. List habit 3. Cut the noise. This requires you to drastically reduce scrolling and put strict limits on digital distractions. You must protect your focus. Below that, write.
Guys, just see the quality of that video, absolutely perfect. The engaging and accurate scenes, the voiceover, everything is so smooth and accurate. So to download that video, click on 3 dot and download. Now let's try our explainer video.
30 days. The idea is really right to the heart of it, doesn't it? It's so easy to blame things outside of ourselves, right? Oh, there just aren't enough hours in the day. But what if the real problem, the real bottleneck, is you? What if the current version of yourself is the very thing holding you back?
So before we can even get to the solution, we have to be stuck.
Okay, let's be real for a second. That feeling of being stuck, it's not just in your head, it's your reality. And without a conscious, deliberate decision to change, inertia is just too powerful. It pretty much guarantees you'll be in this exact same spot, with the exact same frustrations 30 days from right now.
So what is really going on here? Why do we get stuck? It's not because you lack talent or you're up against some impossible obstacle. Nope. The answer is actually way simpler, and it's hidden in the tiny little choices we all make every single day.
Just look at how this all connects. Waking up late, you choose the easy path, you are casting a vote. You're casting a vote for a weaker identity. Your habits aren't just things you do, they're literally building the person you are becoming. All right, deep breath.
This one is also great. The visual, the voiceover. Everything is perfect and engaging, but honestly, I like that cinematic video that we played first. Drop your comment which one you liked. So that's it, guys. You just learned how to create faceless video completely step by step using notebooklm if you like that video. Subscribe our channel. If you have any question, drop it in comment section. See you in next video. Bye.